Alrighty guys, today we're going to be unboxing the, setting up the Onn Blast LED Soundbar 20-inch. Alright, but the link for this will be down below in the description if you want to check them out. I'm sure that they would appreciate that. Anyway, you pull it out of the box, this is what you got, right? It's this speaker right here. That's the only thing I've done is pull it out of the box and then set it right on this wall mount or hanger for it. Stuff everything else here. So what we do need, first and foremost, right, remote control. Put those batteries open, and then get those batteries put right into the remote. A couple steps done, probably right there. Power. Do y'all know how to plug power in, or do I need to show you how? I'm pretty sure y'all need to. I'm pretty sure y'all know how. Just a standard jack there. It goes into the back of the unit, and then the standard American outlet for those of us in America. Right? I don't know if they sell these in England, but if they do, it's probably different. Probably different. Anyway, she's gonna get plugged in right here on top, where you can see it. That is the nice thing about this, is you can see it. You don't have to squeeze in behind or anything else. We're going to fish that through here, through the hanger. And then I got to decide if where I'm going to plug it in. I think I'm going to plug it in on the wall here. Looks like the only thing left is the optic cable. So get that out. Undo those ties. So your optic cable is going to go right into the optic port on the back of the unit. Trying to get it lined up here because I have trouble seeing. There we go. Y'all hooked up optics before, right? I'm going to hope so. And then the other part of the optic cable goes into the back of the TV. Yeah, it does. It's underneath. There we go. Just plug that right in there. Pull that. Actually, let's go ahead and get it around that. There we go. Now she's plugged in. A little bit of wires in the way now, but that's all right. So we will use the remote that comes with it here. All right, so we're going to turn her on, right? Let's go do that. If I can figure out what button it is. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Look at that. That makes it neat. That really makes it neat. Okay, so that's going to look real good at nighttime. Oh, we want to play something, right? My videos. There we go. My videos. All right, we'll play this one. We'll just turn the volume. Okay.
Welcome to the Ultimate TV Wall Mounting Guide. Today, we're going to show you how to tilt your TV wall mount like a pro. Achieve the perfect viewing angle, providing optimal comfort and reducing glare. Let's get started. First, make sure your TV is securely mounted on the wall.
Okay, so those lights are going right with the audio from the video. So, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Loving this thing already, man. Bye.